Yo, Hiko in here. A couple of quick updates. So tonight at 10 p.m. Japan Standard Time, we're doing 2.5 Oyajis on Victor's channel. So check out the link below for that. Should be a lot of fun. We're going to talk about toxic masculinity and Japanese culture, and not just Japanese culture, but the American and Latin American culture of Victor and the New Zealand culture that I come from. I'm going to reflect on that as two Oyajis do. Should be a lot of fun. We still have the Mash Battle winning video is going live at 9:45, so go check that out. Link also below. And time allowing after 2.5 Oyajis, if the chat goes too long, I mean, I've got to go sleep at midnight. But if there's time, we will do an after party, and I'll set up a link for that as well. So lots of stuff to see. Also, another note. I'm going to be traveling next weekend. I will be on my way for a week to Milan, where I'll do some work and some sightseeing. If you're in Milan, let me know. Love to say hello. But otherwise, yeah, I'll be back with 2.5 with Tokyo tonight, the week after next. So be out for 1 week, but I'll probably post some runs and some shorts while I'm traveling as well. So it'll be kind of fun, I think. So yeah, anyway, join us tonight. 2.5 Oyajis on Victor's channel. It's going to be a bunch of fun, and yeah, boom.